Namaste, my name is Anjali and I'm from London. I've been learning coding with Miss Rati and Sanya ma'am. I would like to show you a game which I coded, which I made within 4 classes. This is my game which I created. So it's a riddle game. So there are 3 riddles. I will run it and show you how it works. This is the code. So it will say messages like this.
Hmm.
So it will ask you 3 riddles. So,
Okay.
okay, so it says that I got it right and I scored a few points. It says again I got it right, and now one more riddle I have left. So I've programmed it like this, that it will tell you messages, it will ask your name, it will ask riddles, and then it will tell the points and all. Thank you.
Fine. So